You have an amazing book idea, one that you know is going to make so much of a difference for readers and create so much impact in the world. Yet every single day, by the time you get to the end, you're exhausted. It feels like you've done everything under the sun between kids and running your business and the demands of being a mom. And it just feels like you could never actually get any time to write into your day. I'm Katelyn Silva. I'm a mentor for writers. I help Christian mompreneurs just like you to finally get clarity on their book content and confidently write and publish to bestseller and use it as a business tool to create impact, authority, and legacy. And I want to share with you a tip today on how you can finally start having time to write and making the most of that time without feeling like you're just cramming more into your day or constantly wrestling with your calendar. As a busy mom myself, also running a business with 4 little ones at home, I understand that struggle. And yet through the tree method of writing, I've been able to write and publish 11 books and counting in the last few years. So what I want to share with you, it is important to be consistent. So while you don't have to write every day, it is important to be resourceful and look at your week and your time and where it's going and see where maybe you need to do a priority check. So it's very easy, especially as a fellow mom, I understand, to always feel like everybody else is coming first, right? The kids and the husband and the business and all the things are always coming first and yourself is getting put last. And a lot of times, by the time you do have some quiet time, all you want to do is just relax and sit back and not have to worry about doing another thing, especially something as emotionally and mentally involved as writing, right? Where can you move some things around to give yourself even just an hour or 2 out of the whole week? Maybe on one day where you could ask a friend to take the kids for an hour, maybe your spouse or your mom or somebody else that you know could come and help out for a little bit so you can step away. You don't even have to leave your house. Maybe you have a room or a special corner you can go to that just allows you to listen to some music that inspires you and allows you to really zone in and just focus on getting words on the page. There isn't a perfect time to write your book. There is only the time that you choose to say, I'm gonna do this for me. I'm gonna do this for the readers that I know are gonna have their life changed through this story that I'm telling. And I'm gonna take one step at a time, make the progress I need to make, one day at a time, one writing session at a time to get there. So once you can plan that time on your calendar, then get accountable and do it. I'd like to invite you to a complimentary bestseller assessment with me to help you craft that roadmap to start getting words on the page, to know where your time is and make the most of that time for your writing, to have that accountability and put that goal on your calendar so that it's not just a pipe dream, it's realistic and you can actually make it happen. Click the link below to book a great time that works for you. And remember, your book can change a life.